All right, so the authorization to show unlisted property in 2022, or for you guys that want that, what I just shared with you, to put, when I say six figures, guys, please know I'm not talking about $100,000. I'm talking about 200 or more.
And
Okay?
let's talk about
Okay. All right. So some people say they want to make six figures, and I say, well, have you ever made six figures? They go, no. I said, well, here's what you got to do it. They go, oh, I don't want to do all that.
Then
I'm
you
like,
don't want to
okay,
make six figures.
I'm with you, Simone. Okay, I'm with you. You my people. I'm with you. That's why we vibe every week.
Be vibing.
Okay. I like five-star vacation, and I like
Listen,
VIP.
I left underwriting to do this full time, so I'm here.
Okay, so you already know. All right. So when I say six figures, I'm not talking about 100,000 years. Two real estate deals, 100,000. This is extra. What I'm teaching y'all today. This is extra. Okay. So the purpose of going over there is to get a agreement to show unlisted property. To now remember innovation, how to find free listings. This is what he's doing. He's setting appointments to go over to talk about his FSBO backup plan. Your FSBO backup plan from ATT from me is showing an unlisted property doing an open house. That's your, if you don't have one, that's your plan. Okay? They're gonna sign it. No real estate contract, no nothing, except you have to have this signed so you can show an unlisted property. Right? You market the
Right.
home. How do you do it? Now, we'll get into that. So what questions do you have up to this point? Innovation, I've showed you how. Oh, I got to share my screen. Y'all with me or am I losing you? Let me know if I'm losing you. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to overtrain you. We got 8 and I'm
I'm
out.
with you. I'm with you.
I'm with you.
Specific
With
to the
you.
getting paid piece, Simone did you a solid and said she was okay with giving an agent a commission. A lot of FSBOs are not. And a lot of FSBOs are not knowledgeable about what the cost of their home is, and they do believe there's $125,000 in the trees. So you have an instance in which you have a FSBO owner who overvalues their home and are not willing to pay a commission. So that's the scenario that I'd like for you to speak to.
That's a whole nother train.
About getting paid.
Unless y'all want to be here at 12 o'clock, that's a whole nother train. Okay?
It's Monday.
All right. So that's easy. Let me ask you a question because I'm about to take some limiting beliefs out of you guys' heads. Does 100% of sellers want more than you know their house is worth?
Yes.
Yes.
So is it any difference between a for sale by owner and somebody's not for sale by owner?
No.
No difference. 100% of sellers think that their house is worth more than it is. And I will tell you,
That piece is
100% of the time.
that is
Yes.
consistent between sellers and for sale by owners. The inconsistent piece is the for sale by owners, are different in the sense that they don't want to pay a commission.
Oh,
They don't think they have to.
Right. They don't think they have to.
I love it. What you're telling me is you've been calling for sale by owners and they've been telling you they don't want to pay you a commission.
I call
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, is that right? But I just
Yeah.
told you how we walked through the house and Simone told me your house is worth $275 or $450. And once you show them how much the house is worth, and then when you're in the house, just to do a quick training on it, and you show them the real numbers on their house, and you bring them a cash offer, then they get more realistic, right?
Hmm?
Or not? Do you still would you? Let's say it wasn't a for sale by owner. Let's say it was a regular seller that called on your advertisement. I love this. I'm about to kill y'all limiting beliefs. A regular seller that called off your advertisement and you went over to their house that was worth, you did your math, is worth $275 and they said they wanted $350. Would you still list the house for $350?
No. Yes.
What is the purpose of getting a listing? Is the purpose of getting a listing to sell the house or to get more buyers and sellers?
To get
To get more buyers and sellers.
Do you care if the listing sells or no, or sells or not?
No.
No.
Because if you could get more buyers and sellers from an unrealistic seller, you would get them a high five every day of the week, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Because all
been
you're
worth
doing
it.
is you're using the home as a lead magnet.
Gotcha. Not only that, but when they see a high number of potential buyers coming through and then they don't get an offer at that price. Their realistic expectation, they come down to real expectations.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Y'all with me?
With you.
Be with me. Yeah, I mean, be with me. So it doesn't matter. You would if my house is worth $275 and I want to list it for $1 million. And I'm saying unless you sell it for $1 million, I'm not paying you a commission. Okay, great. Can I market it for any price I want? Yes, but if you don't give me $1 million, Anthony, I'm not going to pay you. Perfect. So I market it for $275 and I pick up 5 buyers and 2 listings. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. Couldn't get you $1 million, but thanks for the 7 clients.
Right.
Y'all with me?
The
Gotcha.
trade-off is worth it. It's worth your time.
Come on. Come on.